Go.
Okay, when you receive your machine from us, you'll need to do a few bits for installation. As you see, you have your different heads here, which we'll go through at a later date. But if you turn your machine around to the back, you'll need to pop on this holder here for your heads, and you'll also have to put each of your leads into these holes here. Now, it'll be very easy for you to see because there's only a certain amount of dots that go into each one, so only certain places will fit into certain holes. This here is for your vacuum suction to turn the pressure up or down, so you can use that as you see fit. This one here is for your RF heads. Now you have 3 of those, so all you'll need to do is change them throughout whatever one you choose to use throughout your procedure. Very, very easy to go. That's all ready to go. Your leads, your power leads in, and then your machine is ready to turn on as such. Okay, so the first head we're going to talk about today is our 80 kilohertz cavitation. Now, cavitation is what we're going to use for the fat dissolving. This basically uses vibrations to break down the cell membrane of the fat cell for them to go off into your lymphatic system. You'll see the head here. It's quite a heavy head. You will find that when you're using this on your client's body, they will get a slight ticking noise in their ear. This is very, very normal. So just make them aware of that before, just so they're not scared by it. Now you have your different intensity modes. Obviously, the higher the intensity, the more hertz is going to be used, and then your cavitation mode. So you'll press your start here, there, and you can up and down on the modes, up to 4, and intensity can go up to, you can hear it working, goes up to 15. So your different cavitation modes is to do with how long the cavitation head is working for. So on the 4, you can hear it here. This is mode 3. So it doesn't work for as long, it's a little slower. Mode 2 is short, sharp bursts of cavitation, and then mode 1 is quite a fast cavitation mode. So that's very dependent on how you want to work it with your client. Number 1, you're on and off, on and off, on and off, but you need to be making sure you're remaining in contact with the skin at all times. We recommend that you use an ultrasound gel just to give the lubrication you're going to need to go over the area that you're going to be choosing. Obviously, when you're using a cavitation mode, do not use it over an elbow or over a knee joint, and the cavitation is not used for the facial area.